Today I'm going to show you how the new Pancake blender bottle works. So the first thing that you do is you decide whether you want 12 pancakes, which you would follow this side according to this little indicator right here, or 6 pancakes following this side to tell you how much ingredients you're going to put in there. So you can see the picture here. It shows for milk you fill it up to this line. Then you put in 2 pinches of salt, fill up the flour to this line, and then it comes with, on the lid, if you take off this cap, then that is the markings here that you can't see because of the sun. That is these markings here, is using this little indicator. So the bottle is really nifty because you can just follow the instructions on the bottle to make however many pancakes you want. You mix everything in and then you put the lid on, and the ball inside shakes it up to get it nice and mixed up well. So we're going to go ahead and mix this up and make some pancakes. Now you don't need measuring cups. You get the milk. So we've got our ingredients out here. We're gonna try it with wheat flour, but I'm not sure how it'll work, so we'll see. But we prefer wheat flour in our house. So you're going to fill up the milk to the milk line. Then you're going to get some salt. And just do 2 pinches of salt according to the instructions. And then we're going to fill up with the flour. We need a spoon for the flour. My handy helper. That's more than 2 pinches. Okay. Okay. Get a spoon so I can scoop my flour in here. Well, my husband's gonna do it because he's much more better looking than I am. I'm just gonna fill it up until it reaches the flour mark on the bottle. I should move to the other side since he's left-handed so you can see more than just his arm. So you put it in there, and then it says to use 2 of the capfuls for your baking powder and
sugar.
4 of the capfuls for butter, or no, sorry, sugar.
It's baking powder.
I know. And then it's got 2 eggs, so we're going to do 4 sugars and 2 eggs. And it's nice because everything that comes in it is all with it except for the ingredients. So you're not dirtying up a ton of different measuring cups and things. So while he's getting the eggs, I just put the cap back on the lid so that it's not spilling everywhere when I shake it all up. Just snap it in there. Beautiful. Then he will just pop the lid on.
With water in it?
No. Make sure it's on there tight. I didn't push it very hard. And then you shake it, shake it, shake it, just like you would a protein bottle, which it would work wonderful for if you needed a protein bottle. Or yesterday my husband made some sauce for his barbecue. He could do that in there also. Mix it up real good. Make sure you shake it all around. Get everything incorporated.
So just holding the cap feels like it's coming off.
Oh yes, the ingredients are interacting with each other and expanding.
So hold the cap because I'm holding this.
Get a nice workout while you make your pancakes. And then you can just take off the little cap and pour it straight out of the thing. Once you feel confident that it's mixed up. Beautiful. And we will come back after we get the griddle warmed up.